Yes,
My lord,
counsel.
yes, my lord. Thank you, my lord. My lord, the matter was selected for today for mention. However, my lord, I realized that there is no proper service on the respondents.
Just a minute.
Thank you, my lord.
Yes.
Yes, my lord. I was reliably informed by the registry that the respondents were not properly served.
Mm.
So, for a purpose of fair hearing, my lord, I humbly seek for an adjournment so that the respondent will serve, so that they will make an appearance in the next adjourned date.
Yes. Give me a date.
Oh, please, my lord. My lord, consider. Thank you, my lord. Maybe the registry, the court diary will guide us, my lord.
And then he give us a date.
27 January, my lord.
Council, 27th January.
This is very much convenient, my lord. It's convenient, my lord.
Okay.
Thank you.
No. This matter is hereby adjourned to the 27th day of January, 2025.
Ask court, please, my lord. My lord, thank you very much for the audience, my lord.
Okay, you're welcome. Yes.
Suit number FSC/DM/CR/15 2025 between Alhaji Ado Shatima and Haruna Alhaji Isa and 6 others. Alhaji Haruna Isa and Abdullahi Ahmad and Babawuro Isa, Usman Saleh, Maina Babaji and Abba Musa Bello Musa and Usaini Bello.
That's which case is that? That's number 2.
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord.
Okay. Representation.
No representation, my lord.
Okay, just give me a minute. Yes. Hearing notice is not served. Registry of court.
Yes, my lord. There was no hearing notice served on them, my lord.
And why is that?
They have not facilitated the service of the process, my lord. The applicant have not facilitated the service of the process. He's still lying down at the lift station.
Okay. Ruling.
As required to
This matter is called once again, despite the orders of court at the last adjourned date being 2nd October 2025, wherein I gave a ruling to the effect that, I quote, this suit dated 9 September 2025 and filed 10 September 2025 is called. The registry of court informed the court that the process is still lying with bailiff's department, meaning service is yet to be effected. This matter will nevertheless be adjourned further to the 23rd day of October 2025, and if on that date the process is still lying dormant, then the matter shall be struck off the court list to decongest the court's docket. Hearing notice to be issued out to the applicant counsel, matter is hereby adjourned to the 23rd day of October 2025. Now, here we are today. The same scenario is repeating itself. Processes filed since September 2025 is yet to be served on the respondent. That is more than 2 months and still counting. Processes lying dormant and congesting the court's docket with no communication whatsoever from the applicant counsel. Therefore, this honorable court will have no choice, having warned at the last adjourned date that the matter will be struck off the court list since the applicant has lost interest in the case. Consequently, suit number FSCC S15-2025 Alhaji Ado Shetima versus Haruna Alhaji Isa and 5 others is hereby struck out. Counsel may apply to release the case after he has woken up from his slumber. Yes.
Suit number FSC/DM/CS/16/2025 between Alhaji Ado Shatima and 3 others, and the Commissioner of Police State and 2 others. Alhaji Ado Shatima and ED Commander and Babeo Maiduna and the Commissioner of Police State and Mai Abba, OC Krak Damaturu and Inspector Sanda IPO.
Just give me a minute. I'm trying to open the file. Still same.
Yes, same scenario now.
Ruling.
What is
This suit dated 9 September 2025 and filed 10 September 2025 is called. The registry of courts informed the court that the process is still line with the bailiff's department, meaning service is yet to be effected. Now, despite the orders of the court at the last adjourned date being 2nd October, where I gave a ruling to the effect that failure, that the matter will nevertheless be adjourned further to the 3rd day of October 2025. And if on that day the process is still lying dormant, then the matter shall be struck off the court list to decongest the court's docket. Having hearing matter notice to be issued out to the applicant counsel, matter adjourned to the 23rd day of October 2025. But then here we are today, the same scenario is repeating itself. Processes filed since September 2025 is yet to be served on the respondents. That is more than 2 months and still counting. Processes lying dormant and congesting the court's docket, with no communication whatsoever from the applicant counsel. Therefore, this honorable court will have no choice, having warned at the last adjourned date that the matter will be struck off the court list since the applicant has lost interest in the case. Consequently, suit number Alhaji Ado Shetima and 3 others versus the Commissioner of Police, Yobe State, and 2 others is hereby struck out. Counsel may apply to release after the case after he has woken up from his slumber.
what please?
The next case.
Yes.
What the next case?
Suit number FSC/DM/CS/17/2025 between Amadou Magaj and the Assistant Inspector General of Police, Zone 15, and 2 others. The Commissioner of Police, Borno State Command, the Assistant Commissioner of Police, Gra, Maiduguri.
Yes, my lord, no appearance. Neither the applicant counsel nor the respondent counsel are involved.
Okay. That's for Amadu. The case is Amadu
Magaji.
Okay, just give me a minute. I think what I have. Is it Amadu Maigari or Amadu Magaji?
Amadu,
Is that Amadu
Magaji, not Amadu Megari.
Not Amadu Maigari? That is suit number.
No, it's supposed to be Amadu Magaji, not Megari Magaji.
Okay.
It's a mistake from us.
I see. That is suit number FHC DMCS 17, 2025?
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord.
Hearing notices served on parties?
Yes, my lord. We even spoke with the applicant counsel this morning.
Give me a date.
27 January, my brother.
Ruling.
The court, please.
This matter for the enforcement of fundamental rights is called. None of the parties nor the counsel are before the court. Hearing notice already issued out, notwithstanding this matter is hereby adjourned to the 27th day of January 2026.
The court, please.
Charge number FSC/DM/CR/61/2025 between Pierre Fauja and Yahya Ali.
Yahya Ali. Defendant absent.
Respectfully, my lord, I am Usman. My humble appearance is for the amendment.
That's CR 61.
Yes, my lord. CR 61, 2025.
Okay. Any defense counsel or none?
Yes, yes, my lord. My name is Usman Bamala. I announce for the complainant.
Yes.
My lord, the matter is selected today for mention. However, we have
Yes.
failed to produce the defendant before this honorable court. My lord, for a reason unknown to me. Because my expectation, my lord, is to defendant in the dock, but I have not seen any of the officials of the complainant for this honorable court with defendants, despite several calls. My lord, in the circumstances, may I be asking for the 26th day of November 2025?
Counsel, you may mute your device. This matter is hereby adjourned to the 26th day of November 2025 for further mention.
I've got this. Only.
Touch number FSC/TM/CR/2062/2025 between Federal Nigeria and Ayuba Musa. Alon, dependent is absent, my lord.
What's the name of the case again? Sorry.
My lord, Ayuba Musa.
Ayuba Musa. Okay, just give me a minute. Yes, representation.
With the greatest respect and much honor, my lord, I am Usman Bamala. I humbly announce my appearance.
Yes. Yes. No defense counsel? Where's the defendant? Prosecuting counsel?
My apologies, my lord. I was just interrupted by the network, my lord. My lord, the complainant, my lord, intend to withdraw this particular charge, having lost interest in prosecuting this matter. In this circumstance, my lord, we humbly apply to withdraw charge number FHC /DM /CR /62 2025. Thank you very much.
Registry of court, if you want to discuss, you can just leave the court hall. Yes,
Sorry.
because you're interrupting the proceedings. Ruling. This matter, which is for mention, the prosecuting counsel applied to withdraw the charge without providing any reason. Hence, charge number FSC DMCR 62/2025, having been withdrawn, is hereby struck out. Yes.
Charge number FSC/DM/CR/47/2025 between Federal Frontier and Halima Adamu and Habiba Mohammed and Ibrahim aka Jula.
Yes, my lord. The first and second defendant are in court. Okay, the
Just,
second and third defendant are in court, my lord, while the first defendant is absent.
Just give me a minute, registry of court. You said the
first defendant is absent, while the second and third defendants are in court.
yes.
Respectfully, my lord, my name is Usum. I humbly
No counsel for the defendants.
May, please, my lord.
There is, my lord.
May, please, my lord.
On your turn.
No? Okay.
Yes, go ahead. Who is for the
Mustafa.
Sorry, my lord, the network got interrupted. Respectfully, my lord, I am A. Mustafa, announcing my appearance for the defendants.
yes?
My lord, the matter is selected today for mention. You are, my lord. One, the first defendant is not available before this honorable court.
Yes.
The defendants, my lord, who have been granted administrative bail and today they appeared for their proceedings, my lord. And the first defendant is not available. My lord, in the circumstances, my lord, we have agreed, my lord, with the council to defendants, my lord. To make a progress, my lord, in this matter. And arraign the defendants, my lord. And for the defendants, my lord, to also put their own necessary applications. With the next agenda, my lord, the first defendant will also be available, my lord. Or my lord, will ensure the presence of the first defendant, my lord, with the next agenda. Thank you very much.
My lord, may I, with respect, draw
Just a
that.
minute, counsel. Let me record the submissions of the prosecuting counsel first.
The court pleases. Yes, my lord. Let
Just
me
a
come.
minute, counsel. I need to one after the other.
Okay.
The prosecuting counsel, you are making a submission?
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, we have unanimously agreed, my lord, to make a progress in this matter. However, my lord, it will be more safer, my lord, to adjourn this matter, my lord, to the 26th day of November 2025, my lord. That's tomorrow, my lord, to ensure that, my lord, the first defendant, my lord, is available before this one is required. So, my lord, depend the counsel to defendant start standing in better position, my lord, to explain where our explain.
Yes, counsel, defense counsel.
Yes, my lord. I want to intimate the court that in the previous two sittings, all the defendants were in court.
Just a minute.
Okay, my lord.
Yes.
Yes, I said in the previous two sittings of this matter, all the defendants were in court, but because of one reason or the other, the prosecution could not go on with the matter. And the first defendant has been available in these two previous sittings. Day before yesterday, my lord, I was able to speak with her via phone, and that she assured me that she will be in the court this morning. My lord, today, this morning, I have been trying calling her number, but it's not going. So for this reason, we reach a consensus with the prosecution counsel that the matter be adjourned to tomorrow to see what is happening regarding the first defendant, and to make possible progress by God willing. Thank you, my lord.
Council, I wish you be muting your devices when you have finished submitting. You keep interrupting court proceedings.
Sorry, my lord. Noted.
ruling.
The court, please.
And to start with the submission of the learned counsel to the defendant, who stated, who submitted to the court that I want to intimate the court that in the previous two sittings, all the defendants were in court, but because of one reason or the other, the prosecution could not go on with the matter. Now, this assertion is not correct. This case was initially mentioned on the 6th day of October, 2025, where the prosecuting counsel submitted to the court thus: the matter is fixed today for mention. The defendants are not before this honorable court this morning. As a result of the directive I just received this morning that investigation has been escalated to an extent for a reason I cannot disclose. As a result of intelligence, in the circumstances, we apply for a short adjournment for definite mention. Also, the third defendant is in Lagos at NDLEA command. Moves are being made to have him transported to Yobe State Command. Then the respondent counsel responded thus. The defense counsel responded thus. In view of the application made by the prosecution, the defendants are not before the court. The court cannot act in vacuum. May I ask for the 13th day of October, 2025. Now, the matter again, I didn't adjourn the matter to the 26th October, to that 13th October. It was adjourned to today. No, I'm sorry, to the 29th day of October, I'm sorry. On that date, the prosecuting counsel submitted this. The matter is fixed today for further mention. We have not produced the defendants in this matter, and it happened deliberately. The deliberate action was one of the suspects was arrested in Lagos and transferred to Damaturu yesterday. And this morning, we received a signal from the headquarters, Abuja, for us to escalate further investigations in the matter. We apply for a short date. The position of our laws is very clear that the prosecution has drafted charges against the defendant. In view of his application, we are urging the court to give a very short adjournment because they are supposed to have finished drafting the charges. We are therefore reluctantly conceding to a very short adjournment. Now, I deliberately read out the two previous proceedings in court because I was baffled by the defense counsel's submission that defendants were in court at the last two adjourned sittings. They were never in court before. Counsel are enjoined to state true facts to the court or to state true facts to the court, not made up or make-believe facts that will mislead the court. Matter adjourned to the 26th day of November, 2025.
The court, please.
Yes, call the next case.
Charge number FSC/DM/CR/59/2025 between Federal Government and Abdullah, aka Boy.
Abdullah,
aka Boy.
defendant absent, my lord.
Respectfully, my lord.
Respectfully, my lord. My name is Usman Bamara. I humbly announce my appearance for the complainant. My lord, there is no defense counsel in this matter, and the defendant, my lord, was deliberately not brought before this honorable court.
Was
arraignment.
deliberately not.
My lord, he
Your
was
submission again.
produced before this honorable court.
There are so many gadgets where you are. They should mute
Yes,
some
madam.
of the gadgets.
Yes, my lord, but I think they have
Yes.
sorted it out. Yes.
Yes.
My lord, this is as a reason of, my lord, there are still an investigation, my lord, that the investigation was still reopened, my lord. The investigators have reopened the investigation, my lord, in the matter. So producing this defendant before this honorable court, my lord, will not be of good to the interest of justice and fair play. My lord, in the circumstances, may I ask this honorable court to adjourn this matter to the 26th day of November 2025. The court is naked. The court is naked.
This matter is hereby adjourned to the 26th day of November 2025 for further mention.
As court, please.
Catch number FSC/DM/CR/60/2025 between Bureau of Nigeria and Usman Yao. Defendant absent, my lord.
Respectfully, I am Usman Bawala, Black Areas.
Just counsel, give me a minute. I'm trying to open the file.
Let's go, please.
Yes, counsel, go ahead.
My lord, the matter is fixed here for mention.
The matter slated today for?
Formation, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, Unfortunately, this is an of a conflict between the by
Counsel, I can barely hear you. You said, unfortunately, the defendant is not before the court. Yes, it's not very audible. But, yes, continue.
Okay, my lord, the defendant is not produced before this honorable court as a result of a conflict, my lord, between the legal advice I issued and the investigation. So, my lord, this file was referred to the headquarters. While we await for the response, my lord, we plead with this honorable court, my lord, to ask this matter to be adjourned to another date, my lord. Thank you very much.
Date. Counsel.
The next virtual date, my lord.
And then he give us a date. January.
By December.
Counsel, you prefer December?
Most obliged, my lord. My lord, may I be asking for, my lord, may I be asking for 26th, my lord?
26 what? December?
But my lord, 2025.
26
of November 2025, my lord.
You'll be able to receive your response by that 26 tomorrow?
Yes, my lord. To see how it goes.
This matter is hereby adjourned to the 26th day of November 2025 for further mention.
As the court pleases. Call the next.
Charge number XC/DM/CR/40 2025 between Kerr Nigeria and Suleiman Abdullahi.
Respectfully, my humble appearance.
Yes.
My lord, the matter is left for further mention. My lord, the complainant are not ready to make a progress in this matter. The defendant have not yet, the complainant have not yet produced the defendant. my lord, we will be asking for a joint date, my lord, in which we will stand a position in the next agenda, inshallah.
Date.
My lord, tomorrow, 26th November, my lord, 2025.
Council, 26 November.
Yes, my lord. My apologies, my lord. Is it the this is the Abdullah? Abdullah.
This is Suleiman.
Not 26, my lord.
Okay.
Council, I didn't hear your submission.
My lord, another day. Not 26, my lord. Not 26.
You're suggesting.
I'm suggesting another 26th day of November 22. Another date, my lord.
Registry of Court, must I prompt you? You are just sitting there waiting for me to talk.
Yes, 28, my lord, 28 January 2026.
Convenient, my lord.
This matter is hereby adjourned to the 20th day of January 2026 for further mention.
Let's go, please.
Church number /DM/CR/41/2025 between Pierre and Adamu Haruna.
Before then, did you call this case Yahya Ali? Was it called?
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
Oh, we have disposed of that case?
Yes, ma'am.
So, the one just called now, Adamu. What's the name of the Adamu Haruna? Okay.
Haruna.
Registry of Courts. You mention a case, you don't say anything about the defendant. I've noticed it for the past, you have called a number of cases without informing me the position, whether the defendant is in court.
Sorry, my lord, defendant is absent.
representation.
Respectfully, my lord, my name is Usman Bamat. My humble appearance is complainant.
Yes.
Yes, my lord, the complainant is not honorable court. This is for a reason unknown to me, my lord. Though the defense have been granted administrative relief. So, my lord, in this sense, may I be asking for it, my lord, January, subject to my lord, in future, my lord, we will inform this honorable stand in this matter. Thank you very much.
Council, did you apply for the 28th January? Prosecuting counsel? Okay.
Yes, my lord.
I wanted to confirm the date you applied for.
Yes, my lord, but next date, my lord, apart 26th. It's virtual.
ruling. This honorable court have taken judicial notice of some notorious facts regarding newly filed cases from the NDLEA in that defendants granted administrative bail hardly appear before the court, and cases get adjourned a number of times before the defendants reluctantly appear. I wonder why this is so these days. Anyway, this matter is hereby adjourned to the 20th day of January 2025 for further mention.
Stop, please.
Call the next case.
Charge number FSC/CR/35/2025 between Pedro Nigeria and Mohammed Asanti.
Mohammed Asanti. Dependent absent, my lord.
Respectfully, I am Usman. The humble appearance is a complaint.
Just give me a minute. I'm trying to bring out the file. Yes.
Yes, respectfully, my lord. Yes, my lord, the matter is fixed today for further mention. The defendant is not before this honorable court. In the circumstances, my lord, we shall be asking for another date.
January 20.
It's convenient, but let me off record. My lord,
Go ahead.
yes, my lord. My lord, for most occasions, this difficulty is happening, my lord. My lord, ordinarily, my lord, we have a case and with a case file, and we have filed our charges respectively. So, my lord, and later on, my lord, we realized that administratively, my lord, there was an arrangement and the defendant was to be on bail and we took the agreement. My lord, we our own effort, my lord, we write it to the proper authority, my lord, on our production date. So our ending date. So sometimes, my lord, we are not involved in the administrative issue, especially when it comes to the issue of bail or something. So my lord is the reason why we're having some of the difficulties at the moment. And we are mindful, my lord, we are mindful of the court, my lord. We are in our own position, my lord, informing of the necessary authority of the job party, my lord, my lord. And that is the reason why, my lord, that we have our own record proper. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Counsel, for your explanation.
Yes, my lord. The date is convenient to us, my lord.
Your submission?
Yes, my lord. The date suggested registered 28th day of January 2026, my lord, is convenient.
Okay. This matter is hereby adjourned to the 26th day of January, 2026 for further mention.
Please.
It's 28th, man.
Okay, 28th day of January, I'm sorry,
Yes.
for further mention.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, Paul.
Holiness, please.
Holiness, please.
Touch number APC/DM/CR/36/2025 between Imperial of Nigeria and Musa Ali Bularafa.
Dependent absent.
Did you just mention Bularafa?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, my Bularafa. Respectfully, my lord, my name is Usman. Humble appearances for the complainant. My lord, the matter is
Just give a minute, counsel. Give me a minute.
please. Yes, my lord, the matter is selected today for further mention, and the defendant is not available before this honorable court. So, my lord, in the circumstances, may we be asking for another date?
28th January.
20th January is convenient.
This matter is hereby adjourned to the 28th day of January, 2026 for further mention.
Ascop, please.
Touch number APC/DM/CR/36/2025 between Imperial of Nigeria and Mohammed Buya.
Dependent absent.
Respectfully, my lord, I am Usman Daumala. My humble appearance is defendant.
Just a minute. Representation.
Yes, my lord. I am Usman Bamala. My appearance is for the complainant. My lord,
Yes.
the matter is selected today for further mention. Unfortunately, my lord, the defendant is not before this honorable court in the circumstances. We shall be asking for the 28th day of January 2025, subject to my lord convenience.
This matter is hereby adjourned to the 28th day of January 2026 for further mention.
Stop, please.
Holiness.
Charge number FFCC 2025.
Defendant absent.
With respect, my lord. I am Usman Bamala.
Council, just give me a minute.
Apologies, my lord.
Registry of court, what's the name of the case you just called?
Mohammed Abdullahi. CR 37, 2025.
CR
37.
37? Okay. Ms. Ndahi, what is the case for?
It's for further mention, my lord. And the defendant is absent.
Look at file A, file C. What is the number on that last page?
It's 2, number page 2.
2. Okay. Representation.
Respectfully, my lord, my humble appearance is for the complaint.
Yes.
My lord, the matter is fixed there for the mention. And unfortunately, my lord, the defendant is not before this honorable court. So in the circumstances, my lord, may I be asking for a date, my lord, in which on that very day we will ensure our stand on that very day.
January.
This matter is hereby adjourned to the 28th day of January 2026 for further mention.
As per please.
Yes. Call the name of the case again. I didn't hear the name. Just let me. Federal Republic of Nigeria.
Abubakar Bulama.
Abubakar Bulama. Okay.
Respectfully, my lord, I am Usman Bamala. My humble appearance is for the complainant. My lord, the matter is selected today for dimension, and unfortunately, my lord, the defendant is not before this honorable court. My lord, may I be asking for on that date, on that very date, my lord, the complainant will state our position on that date. Thank you.
28 January, my lord.
This matter is hereby adjourned to the 20th day of January 2026 for further mention.
Church number FSC/DM/1/2025 between Federal Court of Nigeria and Haruna
Abubakar.
Respectfully, my lord, I am informed about presence of the complainant.
Yes, Counsel, go ahead.
Yes, Counsel, go ahead.
My lord, the matter is fixed today for further mention and the defendant is before this court. My lord, we have apologized for stressing this manner of the court for undergoing all these proceedings, my lord, without making a lot of progress, my lord. My lord, may we be asking for another date, my lord, subject to my lord convene.
28 January.
28 January.
Yes. Convenient.
This matter is hereby adjourned to the 20th day of January 2020 for further mention.
As the court please. That is all for today.
Okay. Okay, thank you so much. The prosecuting counsel, as well as the registry of court, and all counsel that appeared for today's proceedings.
Most obliged.
I'll take it for tomorrow. Most of the inmates are at the correctional centers.
Yes,
Yes, my lord. It's only you only have few in the custody, my lord.
Oh, few in custody. In your own custody?
In your custody?
Yes, in our custody. With us, my lord.
Okay. Okay, thank you once again.
Okay, thank you once again.
Have a nice day. Thank you.